Hello friends, our today's topic is computer graphics, a subfield of computer science which study method for digitally synthesizing and manipulating visual content, a text and sounds graphic. No Wikipedia but text generally refers to representation and manipulation of pictorial data by computer. Various technology used to create and manipulate such pictorial data. The image so produced. Image processing versus computer graphics. Computer graphics, a mathematical modeling, deals about synthesis, manipulation, processing, and storage of image of an object. A complete package on generation and modeling of graphs deals about generation of mathematical model, image processing, not explain about synthesis of image, explain manipulation and processing of existing image. Application area of computer graphics, display of information, design, simulation, computer art, entertainment. Display of information, graphics of scientific, engineering and medical. There are some pictures which show the graphics of engineering and medical images. Designs, graphic for engineering and architectural system. Design for building, automobile, aircraft, machine, etc. Simulation, computer-generated model of physical, financial, and economic system for educational aids. Computer art, graphic for artist. Entertainment, graphic for movie, game, VR, etc. Uh, there is some term like a pixel. The we see the what is pixel? The computer stored and display pixel or picture element. A pixel is the smallest addressable part of the computer screen. A pixel is stored as a binary code representing a color. The code for a pixel can have between 1 and 32 bits of binary code. Here is the Photoshop logo at normal size. Here it is enlarged 400% so that you can see the individual pixel. Pixel depth. Pixel depth describes the number of bits used to store each pixel. The greater the pixel depth, the more the color of a pixel can have. Color graphics vary in realism depending on resolution and pixel depth. The greater the pixel depth, the bigger the file. Example of the pixel depth: monochrome. Monochrome graphics have 1 bit pixel depth, pure black or pure white. Resolution. What is resolution? Resolution refers to the density of dots on the screen or printed image and directly affects quality. The higher the resolution, the less judged the image. Resolution is measured in dpi, dots per inch. The printing industry is largely unmetricated and still uses inches because printing measures such as the point 1772 and an inch do not easily convert to metric units. The higher the resolution, the better the potential output. Typical resolution. Screens generally operate at around 72 to 100 dpi. Printed image range from 300 to 400 dpi. Resolution affect the file size and image. The higher the resolution, the bigger the file. The visible resolution is limited to the maximum possible on the output devices, screen or printer. No matter how high the resolution of a photograph, it will show at the resolution of your screen or printer. File type. There are many kinds of graphics file format and this is a specialized area and it's complicated. Examples: BMP, GIF, JPEG, TIFF, PICT, RAW. For the for most application involving photographic images, uses the JPEG file format. Joint Photographic Expert Group. For graphics or paint type files uses GIFs, graphical interchange formats. JPEG. The JPEG format can be used by most applications and all browsers. It has very good compression algorithm. It stores a good quality image in a remarkably small file with little or no loss of quality. JPEG offer 10 quality level with correspondingly smaller files and greater losses in quality. GIF. You should choose a GIF format instead of JPEG when you have a graphics with only a few colors such as a logo or icon. You want to create an image with some transparent parts for a web page. You want the smallest possible file size with totally lossless compression. You want to combine a few images together into animation. You want to save text as a graphics.